Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on this 2019 Mazda 3 and we're doing a rear bumper teardown because there's damage on the quarter and the rear bumper. So stay tuned and see how it goes. So the first thing we're gonna do is take out the rear taillights. So we're gonna pop this cover out and take out the two Phillips screws at the bottom, which are holding the taillight in place. The plug for the lights is behind the carpet, so you will have to remove the carpet and unplug the light. Once the light is unplugged, you will have to take out one Phillips screw and a clip. On this side the clip is missing because of the damage the bracket has broken, but on the other side you will see the clip. Now pop off these two covers and two Phillips will be underneath that. Take out these two Phillips. So now finally I have taken all the Phillips at the sides, which were two, and three clips, and all the Phillips at the bottom. So now we're gonna pull this bumper off and unplug the bumpers because it has sensors in it. If you enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So the wire for this bumper is inside, underneath the carpet. So now we'll open up the carpet from the other side and unplug the wire from underneath. Now that the bumper is off, we will see the vehicle and assess damages and put tape on stuff that we will need to complete the job. Thank you for watching.